Taiwan laptop maker MSI begins manufacturing in India with Chennai facility. Taiwanese laptop maker MSI on Tuesday announced the commencement of its manufacturing operations in India with its first facility in Chennai. In line with the objective of Make in India, MSI will introduce locally produced versions of two laptop models, the MSI Modern 14 and MSI Thin 15, a company statement said. India has become one of MSI's fastest growing markets, with the brand consistently expanding its presence across the country. As demand for high performance laptop continues to rise, MSI is excited to contribute to India's thriving tech ecosystem by offering locally manufactured devices that meet global standards, the statement said. To enhance the accessibility of products in India, MSI is increasing the number of touch points, including more laptop brand stores and availability at Chroma and Reliance Retail, it added. The India made a thin and modern series of laptops will be available at retail prices starting at 73,990 rupees and 52,990 rupees respectively. Looking ahead, MSI said it plans to introduce more powerful configurations of a thin series to meet the diverse needs of audience in India. India has long been a key focus of MSI, and the country's growing demand for high performance laptops has been integral to our decision to begin manufacturing locally. We are confident that this will mark the beginning of a new era in MSI's journey and help penetrate the Indian market further while enhancing operational efficiencies and contribute to India's journey as a global leader in technology. John Hung, NB General Manager, MSI India. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.